Math tech thinking, we're switching on the mind. Math tech thinking, when numbers get refined. Welcome to Math tech thinking foundation. Tune in, lock in, build your motivation. Step by step, we shape imagination. Math tech thinking, Math tech thinking foundation.
Hello everyone and welcome. I am Dr. Meherchand. Today we will explore the transformative role of the machine learning and artificial neural network across four key sectors: academia, healthcare, business and scientific research. With massive increase in data availability and computational power, machine learning and artificial neural network have moved far beyond theoretical concept. They now serve as a critical tool shaping the way organizations teach, diagnose, predict, automate, and innovate. In this session, I will walk you through specific real-world applications and demonstrate how these technologies are redefining the future of education, medicine, industry, and scientific discovery. Before discussing the sector application, let's briefly recap what machine learning and artificial neural network really mean. Machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence that enables system to learn patterns from the data, identify trend, and make predictions with minimal human intervention. Instead of the explicitly programming rules, we let the machine infer relationship automatically. On the other hand, artificial neural network are computational models inspired by biological neurons. They excel particularly in the complex tasks involving vision, speech, language, and high-dimensional data. ANN consists of layers of interconnected nodes where each layer transforms input data into more abstract features. This hierarchical representation allows a ANN model to handle intricate and non-linear relationship that traditional methods struggle to capture. Together, ML and artificial neural network power modern applications such as recommendation system, medical images, smart assistants, and autonomous vehicles. The education ecosystem is undergoing a remarkable digital transformation, and machine learning, artificial neural network lies at the center of this evolution. Very first we have is the personalized learning. With the application of machine learning model, educational platform can adapt lessons according to a student's learning pace, performance and interest. For example, adaptive learning system analyzes student response and modify difficulty level automatically. This ensures each learner receive a tailored educational experience. Next one we have is the automated evaluation and grading. Artificial neural network based model are now capable of evaluating assignment, descriptive answers and even code tests. This not only reduces the burden on teachers but also allows quicker feedback cycle for students, especially student performance prediction. By using machine learning model, identify 8 risk student early by analyzing attendance, past scores, engagement pattern, and behavioral data. Institutions can then provide targeted support, improving the academic outcome and reducing dropout rate. AI-powered academic support also help to the student, just like chatbots help a student with the FAQ, scheduling, course guidance, and even subject explanation. This makes learning more accessible and responsive, especially in the large-scale educational environment. Overall, machine learning and artificial neural network are contributing to shift from standardized education to highly personalized and data-driven learning experience. Healthcare may be the most impactful sector infused by ML and artificial neural network. The potential to save lives, reduce diagnostic error, and accelerate treatment is immense. Disease detection and the prediction can be made by with the help of ML model. So ML models trained on thousands of patient cases can now predict disease long before the symptoms become severe. For example, early stage cancer detection, predicting cardiac failure, identifying risk of diabetes and other chronic disease. The models often outperform conventional diagnostic tools in accuracy and speed. Artificial neural network, especially CNN, convolutional neural network, excel at scanning medical images such as X-rays, MRI scans, CT scans, and ultrasounds. They help detect tumors, fractures, infections, and abnormalities with remarkable precision. In many cases, AI acts as a second expert opinion, reducing diagnostic errors. In the drug discovery and genomics also we can use these models. Traditional drug discovery takes years of lab testing. Machine learning accelerates this by predicting the effectiveness of the compound, analyzing protein intricacies, and identifying molecular structure likely to succeed. In genomes, ANN help decode genetic pattern like linked to the disease, spotting personalized medicine. And last one we have is the remote monitoring and wearable AI. Devices like smartwatch and biosensor track heart rate, oxygen level, sleep pattern, and activity. Machine learning models interpret this data to detect early signs of medical issues and alert clinicians in real time. Healthcare is becoming proactive rather than reactive thanks to machine learning and the artificial neural network. Businesses across industries are adopting machine learning and artificial neural network to achieve efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance customer experience. Retail and manufacturing companies use ML to predict customer demand, optimize inventory level, and reduce wastage. This allows companies to plan better and avoid stock outs or overproduction. Machine learning analyze customer behavior to classify users into segment based on preferences, spending pattern, and interest. Business then personalized marketing campaign, improving the engagement and conversation rates. Artificial neural network power suggestions engine used by Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, and Spotify. They learn from your preferences and recommended content or product you are likely to enjoy, driving user satisfaction and sales. Financial institutions use machine learning to identify suspicious transaction in milliseconds. These systems detect anomalies, patterns of fraudulent behavior, and unusual spending patterns more accurately than rule-based system. Through the use of AI-driven automation tools, business are streamlining operations across HR, finance, supply chain, and customer services. The result is a cost saving, improved decision making, and enhanced customer trust. Science and research have entered a new era of accelerated discovery powered by machine learning and AI. Very first we have is the example of predictive modeling and simulations. Researchers use ML to simulate physical and chemical and biological process. This reduces the time and resource required for experimentation. Big data analysis, whether it is a climate science, astronomy, or particle physics, researchers now deal with the enormous data set. ANN helps interact, artificial neural network help extract meaningful insight from massive data or volumes that human cannot analyze manually. Genomics and bioinformatics is the core where we can use AI models. AI assists scientists in discovering new genes, understanding proteins structure, and identifying mutations linked to the disease. This support breakthrough in personalized medicine. Material science and engineers machine ML model predict material properties such as strength, flexibility, conductivity, leading to faster development of advancement material for industry and technology. Across fields, ML and artificial neural network are acting as a catalyst for innovation. Across all sectors, we discussed ML and artificial neural network offer several universal advantages. Automation of you can say automation of repetitive tasks, improving speed and accuracy, predictive insight, that support smarter decision making, personalized user experience, improving the satisfaction and outcomes, operational efficiency, reducing time, cost, and human error, scalability, allowing solutions to handle massive dataset effortlessly. These cross sectors benefit expand why ML and NANN adoption is growing exponentially worldwide. As technology evolves, we are witnessing new frontiers in ML and ANN. Generative AI, this include AI system capable of creating images, text, music, and simulations. It will transform industries like media, design, marketing, and research. Edge AI model running directly on devices like smartphone and IoT sensors enable faster processing, privacy protection, and offline functionality. Explainable AI is ML influences critical decisions. Transparency is essential. XAI help us understand why a model make a certain prediction. Ethical and responsible AI. Countries and organizations are now implementing policies to ensure that AI is fair, unbiased, secure, and used for welfare of the society. The future will be shaped by how responsibly the future will be shaped by how responsibly and creatively we use AI. To summarize, the machine learning and artificial neural network are transforming every major sector: education, healthcare, business, and scientific research. They enable smarter predictions, automation, improved efficiency, and innovations that were previously unavailable. As AI continues to evolve, the opportunities for growth, research, and impact will only expand. Thank you for being the part of this session, and I hope this deeper look into ML, ANN application has given you insight into the incredible potential of these technologies. If you have any question and you want to reach out to me, the contact number and email address are given here. You can WhatsApp me your message, or you can send me email at the given email address. So once again, thank you to be part of this session.
Math tech thinking, we're switching on.